Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of HawkwarzToyz Presents. This is the Hot Toys 16 Marty McFly from Back to the Future 3. Like many of you, huge Back to the Future fan here, so I cannot wait to look at this guy. Here is the Marty box, Back to the Future. That looks... don't think that's a figure, it looks more like a art design, Marty McFly, MS616. We got the To the Future logo. The side as well, part 3, which is, I think that's the official logo with the horses and stuff. So yeah, kind of cool. And then the back. All right. Perfect way to travel through time. Nice. Pull that off. Ooh, hoverboard. These hands are really not good. These are plasticky as hell. I mean, this does not. This looks unfinished. This looks like it was a rush job. I mean, look at how they painted the hands. Oh, look at that seam line right here. This is horrible. I mean, the hands are just not good. Oh, this is... look at this. There's no separation. Oh, alright, this is not good. Look at that. That's horrible. There's no separation at all. Oh, hoverboard is cool as shit though. Let's get your leg strap and hoverboard. Oh, they couldn't put Mattel on here. That's pretty funny. Here's your poncho. You have your bandana. You do have quite a lot of other interesting accessories. You've got the door that he uses to hit Biff with, and Mad Dog Tannen with at the end of the movie, where he's wearing it under the poncho. Get the letter, Marty, the letter. The letter from Western Union of Doc, telling him he needs to go back to 1885. Well, it didn't tell him to go back to 1885, he said don't come, but telling him that he is in 1885 after he gets struck by lightning. That's kind of cool. Here is the Frisbee Far Out pies from the town festival scene, dance scene. This is their walkie-talkie, which is kind of cool. He uses it to talk to Doc too. This pistol. This Colt, the gun that won the West. Very nice. Okay, this is the one solid thing, painted no articulation. They really rushed this. Usually, it's not like that. And his gunslinger belt. Gun that fights Mad Dog Tannen. You know, of course, if you lose, I'm taking it back. Yeah, this was very rushed because of the skin tone, the paint job on the skin tone. This looks plasticky as hell. It looks better under the naked eye than it is showing your camera, but it really does look plasticky. And the expression just seems kind of weird. I mean, I guess, alright, maybe from this angle that's Michael J. Fox right here. But straight on, I don't see it. This is another misfail. The hat being glued into the head. For what? that doesn't, it's not good. So that's a no-no. Tailoring though is very good. Here's the attack of the plasticky hands again. Alright, look, unless you are an absolute Back to the Future fan, or you're collecting and everything Back to the Future, or you want all 3 movies, I don't know about this one, guys. Looks kind of ass. Like, this is shit. Like, this is not good. Tailoring good. I do like the outfit of the sort of outfit of Marty McFly. Okay, double jointed knees. I do like the boots. And the thread. Careful when you're doing that, you don't want to bend the... Oh, these are actual cowboy boots that they put in there. So that's kind of cool. Alright, let's look at this. Alright guys. I don't really know what to do with this figure in terms of posing. Right now I just have him, like that scene where he's fighting Mad Dog Cannon, where he's like getting ready to draw his gun. He's like, draw, no, you first. The reason I'm saying I'm having a hard time reviewing this figure is because honestly, I think HawkwarzToyz really dropped the ball on this one. I don't think the quality is there. I think the head sculpt looks a little bit black, and it's just overall the hand, like the skin tone is too plasticky. It's just not, I don't know what they're doing. Probably a rush figure, too many things on the docket, and this one was pushed out, but yeah, not exactly my favorite one that I've seen so far. So I think if you are somebody who buys all the Back to the Future, then you're gonna need the complete set. But if you're just like, I'm a big fan, but I don't want this. I'm gonna wait for Back to the Future 2 to reissue. So, but hopefully this at least tells people who are interested what works and what doesn't. And you can decide for yourself. Alright, playing around with this a little bit. You've got Marty holding the 6-shooter. And wearing the stove plate that he wears. And holding the hoverboard. I was just trying to figure out what to do with this pose, or just to do with the figure. I thought this kind of works. Granted, it's not in the movie, but you know, just so you get an idea. I will say the posability on this is very, very good. The tailoring is very good, and the body itself it's very posable, but it is a little bit like loose at certain points. It just because it's so posable. So anyway, I'm gonna try one more thing. Alright, so I wanted to have him do a frisbee far out, but the problem is the right hands that they give you can't really throw as opposed to throwing the plate. And oddly enough, I was going to have him hold his walkie-talkie in the other hand, but the left hand that they give you is an open, relaxed hand and one closed fist, and a fist for holding something that is not the walkie-talkie, so you really can't do that much with it. So yeah, but again, poses really well. So hopefully this video kind of helps everyone to decide. You know, the Die Hard, if you have everything from Back to the Future, then you have to, you know, you need this to complete your set. But if you're not that hardcore, then this might be a pass, because it is, like I said, it is not the best. I mean, it's alright, it's just not the best figure around, you know. So that's totally up to you to decide depending what works for you. So anyway, guys, this has been presented by HawkwarzToyz. Make sure you hit up Ray on eBay, Facebook, and Instagram for all your collecting needs, and see you guys in the next video.